of you. Today we will discuss our new chapter 16. Who am I? Now, first you see there silence. Now, first is silence. Now you can see that second one is globe, third one is color code, and the fourth one is teapot. Fifth one is name, sixth one is post box, and the seventh one is common cold, and eighth one is candle. There are the different example. With the help of these clues, we will solve our question. First, our question is what start with P and end with X but has 100 of letter? Our answer is post box. Now our next question, what start with T, ends with T and has T in it? Our answer is teapot. Yes, our answer is teapot. Second one. Now our third question, what is broken every time when someone speak? Our answer is silence. Yes, our third answer is silence. Now fourth, what belongs to you but is used mostly by other? Now our fourth answer, name. Yes, our fourth answer is name. Now our fifth question, what gets shorter the longer it stand? Our answer is candle. Yes, our fifth answer is candle because we get shorter the longer it stand, as when we burn the candle it is bigger and slowly it's become small. Now our sixth question, what has a thumb and four finger but is not alive? Our sixth answer is globes. Yes, which we had in our hands. Now our seventh question, what can you catch but not throw? Our seventh answer is common cold. Now our eight, what kind of coat can be put on only when wet? Our eighth answer is color coat. Now we will discuss our 17th chapter, places for playing. Now in this chapter we will discuss about the different places where the different game has been played. Now the first one, you can see that it is court. Yes, it is playing in a court. Our second one is table. Yes, the player is playing on table. The third one is ring. The player is playing in ring. Now the fourth one, the players are playing in river. Yes, the fourth one answer is river. Now the fifth one, the player is playing in track. Yes, our fifth answer is track. Now the sixth one, the player are playing in the ring. Yes, you can see our answer ring. Our sixth answer is ring. Now our seventh answer is C. Our seventh answer is C. And the eighth one is pool. Yes, our last answer is pool. Now we will discuss quiz questions. First question is, which of the following game is played on a court? Our answer is basketball. The second one, cricket is played on a ground. Our answer is grounds. The third, the range is a place for the game of shooting. Yes, our answer is shooting. Now we will discuss 18th chapter, Amazing Waters Animal. We will discuss about the different animals living in the water. Now first is, it has its heart located in its head. It can only swim backward. Its name is shrimp. Yes, its name is shrimp. Now the second one, it can see more colors than human. Its answer is goldfish. Yes, second answer is goldfish. The third one, it can turn its stomach inside out and bring it out through its mouth. It has an eye at the tip of each arm. Its answer is starfish. The third answer is starfish. Now the fourth one, it's shallow water and becomes too big for other fish to swallow. Its answer is puffer fish. Our fourth answer is puffer fish. Now the fifth, it is the fastest aquatic animal. Its answer is black marlin. Our fifth answer is black marlin. Now we will discuss our 19th chapter about cleanliness drive in school. It is very important chapter. You should must know about this. The first one, our answer is group discussion on cleanliness. They are the boys gathering together and discussing about the cleanliness purpose. The second was cleaning of classroom. It is a very important one. We should must clean our classroom because we read there. The third one, poster making on cleanliness. By making the poster of cleanliness, the people will aware of this and they will try to clean the environment. Now the fourth one is cleaning of playground. Because we play there, we should must clean the playground. Now the fifth one, separating waste. Yes, it is also very important because we should must separate the waste because it will easily help to decompose it. Now we will discuss the 20th chapter of our Indian's extremes, means the places in our country which is very beautiful. Now first one is, it is the northernmost part of our India and it is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Its name is Siachen Glacier. Now we will discuss our second question. It is coldest place in India and its Celsius is minus 40 degrees Celsius and it is located in also Jammu and Kashmir. Its name is Dras. The third one, it is the westernmost part of our India and it's located in Kutch, Gujarat and its name is Ghurmotha. Yes, it's located in Gujarat. Now the fourth one is, you can see that it is the easternmost part of our India and it's located in Arunachal Pradesh. Its name is Kibuthu. Its name is Kibuthu. Now the fifth one, it is the southernmost point of India and it's located in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Its name is Indra Point. Now the sixth one, it is the largest river island in India and it's located in Assam. Its name is Majuli Island. Now the seventh one, it is the highest mountain peak in India and it's located in Sikkim and its name is Kanchenjunga. Now the eighth one, it is the westest place in India and it's located in Meghalaya. Its name is Mawsynram. You should must know that there is a heavy rains in the Mawsynram. Now we will discuss the quiz question. First is, it is one of the hottest place in India and its name is Berwin. Now the second question, which is the coldest place in India? Our answer is Dras. Now the third one, the highest mountain peak in India is Sikkim. Yes, it is in Sikkim.